What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a convenience good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the MPOW H12 active noise cancellation wireless headphones I picked up on Amazon for $49.99. Out of 1,316 reviews, they get 4.5 out of 5 stars, and they come in 3 different colors: dark, rose gold, and champagne gold. Champagne gold is sort of a silver color. The rose gold obviously is more of a pink, and the dark is black, which I have here right in front of us. Today I figured we would do a little bit of an unboxing and a first impressions. These have, like I said earlier, active noise cancellation, hi-fi audio. I'm really looking forward to hi-fi audio because, as you all remembered, a week ago I reviewed the Anchor Life Q20. They had awesome noise cancellation, but wasn't too impressed with the sound quality on them. So hopefully these are a little bit different. Hopefully they're a little bit better. They have hands-free calling. They have a closed back, ear cushions, and up to 30 hours playtime. So let's go ahead and get into the box here. By far the smallest box for active noise cancellation headphones, wireless headphones, that I've had on the channel so far. These are by MPOW, Dream, Explore, Inspire. Pretty simple cardboard packaging here. Really nothing special. We just pull that tab out, pull this slat down, open up these little doors, and pull the headphones out and see what comes in the box. So what's really cool is it looks like you get a carrying pouch. Not the highest quality carrying pouch I've ever seen, but these were only $49.99, so who cares, right? As long as you can fold them up and carry them around some way, shape, or form, that would be beneficial. Though I do see this carrying pouch, so to speak, falling apart, sort of maybe tearing, not lasting all that long, but hey, it comes in the box. What more can you ask for, right, for $49.99? So maybe they'll just blow us away and sound absolutely amazing. Also in the box, we get what looks to be a 3.5 to 3.5 millimeter headphone jack and our USB to micro USB charging cable. And of course, we get some user manuals inside, which is really awesome, just in case you don't know how to work them. Sometimes these headphones are actually more complicated and more sophisticated than you might think. The Bose QC35-2s, the noise canceling 700s, ultra sophisticated. They have an application that goes with them. Anyways, really impressed with the look, feel, fit, and finish of the MPOW H12 hybrid active noise cancellation headphones. No branding whatsoever. You just get MPOW on the side. One of my viewers actually recommended to me that I take a look at these small enough drivers. If you guys remember the Insignia headphones I reviewed about a month and a half ago, I picked them up at Best Buy. They were 99 bucks. They had massive drivers on them, massive cans, and they sounded just okay. You know, so these are a little bit more stylish. Hopefully they sound just as good. And of course you get a clearly marked active noise cancellation button on the side there with an LED indicator light. You get the micro USB charging port on the bottom there. You get what looks to be a microphone on the side, another microphone on this side, and of course that 3.5 audio port, so that you can listen to them with the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack if you so choose. If you're on a plane or a train or a bus that has one of those plug-in headphone jacks, you can use these to listen in on the video that's playing above you or what have you. So from the looks of it, there's actually no power button. The volume buttons and the power button are integrated with the play and pause, fast forward and rewind buttons. When you get these out of the box for the first time, hold the power button for 5 seconds. It'll turn the headphones on, and then it'll automatically pair them to the iPhone or whatever phone you have. So it doesn't matter if you turn them on you're gonna have to hold the power button down for 5 seconds to pair it. They will not pair automatically like most headphones do, which is a little bit of an inconvenience compared to some other headphones. Now that I have them connected, I'm gonna go ahead and put them on my head. So far, the noise cancellation is terrific. I've had them on for a few minutes with active noise cancellation turned on. I can hardly hear myself speak, but let's see what the sound quality is like. I will check back in with you guys in just a few minutes. Okay, what is going on, everybody? The verdict is in. I think these are definitely good enough. They're a little bit chintzy sounding, especially at the higher end. The bass tends to want to rattle a little bit. But the bass isn't overwhelming. It's actually subdued a little bit. It's layered over the rest of the music nicely. It's not obtrusive at all. They're only $49.99. They would make a great stocking stuffer. The noise cancellation is actually pretty superb. And in addition to that, they are over-the-ear headphones. So there are some added noise isolation benefits to them being over the ear due to the fact that the ear cups surround your ear entirely, blocking off additional sound. So on top of them being over the ear and having noise isolation benefits, you also get active noise cancellation on top of that. So if you're someone who's traveling frequently, or maybe you have a son or a daughter who travels frequently, like, I don't know, if they're in high school and they play soccer or football or some type of team sport, and they're on the bus or coming home from school or whatever, pick these up for them. They will definitely enjoy them. Audio quality is a little bit squirrely, but it's good enough. If you really haven't listened to anything else, you won't know the difference. It's pretty good. They're good enough, I think. They're not terrible headphones. Like I said before, above and beyond everything else, they're comfortable, they're built well, and overall, they're pretty stylish looking. You can get them in 3 different colors. You can get them in this dark black color. You can get them in rose gold, and you can get them in this champagne silver color. The MPOW H12 active noise cancellation headphones are a convenience good because I picked them up on Amazon. My name is John. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Give a like, a thumbs up, and subscribe for more videos like this. I will see you in the next one.